to look like you have the most natural long lashes, this mascara is for you. I don't want to mess it up. It's very pretty.
Thank you.
Side.
And what color are you using?
Thank you. I promise you will not have to hold those for gorgeous, gorgeous. Stunning. Look at me. That is a moment. That is so pretty. Our baby. There you go. Okay.
All right, this is a nice one. Very, very nice. Okay, good.
The hydrate.
Maybe you see to try it. Do like an in-depth tutorial step by step.
Is there a best way a person can find a natural shape, or what if they want to change their natural shape? Do you recommend that they tweeze out and then draw in, or less draw in and or draw in and less tweeze?
Tap your lips for me.
Wait, keep doing it in.
What day is today?
Today is Sunday. Today it is a light brown day. Down for me. Thank you. Wait, okay, so at night, did you have a nice...
The years fall away, and there he was, my 16-year-old lover. And he went, "Who are you?"
I would argue right now we're getting rid of the dark spots while you're keeping your memories.
Keep going. Just tell me about how I'm going to look beautiful.
You already do look beautiful.
The house behind me was full of drug dealers. So I did what any sensible woman would do. I went into the bathroom, shut the door, and got into the bathtub.
So, coral is for everyone. There is a shade of coral for every single person. Whenever someone has a light colored eye like this, she has a green eye, there's little hints of blue in there, I know I can see it. I feel like the sun is bringing out some beautiful dimensions. Across from the color wheel of blues and greens, right? Blue across the color wheel is orange. So by adding this coral blush, you can instantly see her eyes pop. Oh, this is Miami! Yeah.
One of my favorites. Yeah.
Love Miami. And it looks like it would be too bright, right? This is the color light brown. We talked about this earlier, and we're going to talk about this call out again. If you have light colored hair, it's very likely that your eyebrows are also lightly colored. So they do not need to be black. They can just exist. But we're going to fill these puppies in just a little bit so we have a little bit more dimension to the face. Take a little spoolie, brush them out. I'll fill in a bit. It's a little bit of a mocha. Yeah, we're keeping it with that bronzy kind of feel, but it'll still capture her natural lip color. How's this feel on the lips?